Hi YouTubers, welcome back to the channel and the series Wifey Tries. So today we've got another challenge for Angie, my wife. Ange, would you like to come and say hello to the channel?
Hi.
Today we're going to look at how to check the oil levels of the engine. A little bit harder than last time, but I'm sure she's got the skills to do this, so let's get going.
Thanks.
What do you think you need to do
Okay.
to check this engine oil?
Right, need to open the car.
Good.
Let's go. Release the bonnet.
Yeah.
Not that side, passenger side.
Yeah.
I'm a pro now. Oh, release is here.
Well done.
And we're in.
Where do we need to look?
What we're doing? Oil.
Yeah, checking the oil level on this car.
Well, okay. That looks like oil to me.
Yeah.
But this looks like a dipstick. Oh no, it's not.
Yes, that's
oh,
correct.
it is.
Yeah. So this is where you would fill.
Right.
That's where you check. Now, in order to check, I suggest you get yourself a bit of a rag. So maybe you want to get some blue tissue.
Okay.
So it's always important to have the car on a level ground, otherwise you're not going to get a true reflection of its oil level.
Okay.
Let's, for argument's sake, say this is on level ground. We know it isn't, but let's say it was. You want to pull the dipstick out first, and what I want to show you is you want to hold it with the tissue. Yeah, that's it. Now you see this little red end?
Yeah.
That's your low, that's your high, yeah, where it says maximum and minimum. So you want your oil level to be in between, and as you can see on our particular car, it's more towards the low end, but that's fine. What I tend to do,
It looks full up. I can't see that it looks in.
because it's bigger there, see, it's drier here. Okay. But what you can do is now clean that with the cloth, clean it totally, and then put it back in.
Oh,
fully.
It's red underneath. I didn't realise that.
So put it fully in. That's it. Now pull it out and check it. And as you can see, you've got a clear sort of fluid at the bottom end,
yeah.
Which is fine. It could probably do with a little bit more.
Can you put a bit more in?
You can do, yeah. Let's go for that. So put the dipstick back in. Remember, the car's not exactly level, so we're not going to put too much in. But yeah, we'll go through the practice. So remember that where you saw before, where you fill it?
Yeah.
So we would undo that, yes.
Yeah.
And that's where you're going to be filling, okay? Okay. So put it back on for a minute though, because you don't need to drop it in there while we go and get the oil. Now this car, this is important because the grade of oil you use is according to the car you have. Okay. This car uses the AMG oil. So we're going to go in the garage and see where that is. Right, so that's the oil we're going to be using. You notice it's the AMG and it's the OW40 that this car will use.
Okay.
We don't need to do a lot, yeah? So if you look on the side of the bottle, you'll see it has how many litres in that. We've got 1 litre left. I reckon we just not even need to do maybe just about half a litre of filling up. As we did with the screen wash, you're probably better off using a funnel. Okay.
The same one is okay, or do you want a different one?
You can use the same one as long as it's clean from the last time use. Okay. That's it. Yeah.
Oh, how's that going then?
Exactly, so you're going to have to angle it somehow.
Oh, this is not good.
Okay, so what I would do, I can hold that for you.
I can hold it, I reckon.
Okay. Girls got balls.
No, I don't. We're like that.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Remember, we don't need to do a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What you could do now is put the lids back on and the clip back on, but then check your dipstick again.
Ooh. Oh yeah, it has gone up.
Yeah, it has gone up, which is fine.
Good.
we're going to take into account the car's not exactly level, so it may be a little bit more, but that's perfect. So, Ange, that's how you top up your oil. How did you find that?
That's all right.
To be fair, you was really good. Didn't really have to give that many pointers to you. So, yeah, job done, Angie. Another successful wifey tries. Thanks, guys. Keep tuning into the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.